This is the Spyder 2030 PSI. High ultra compact high performance pressure washer. We got it from Home Depot. It was delivered to our door. So this is the unboxing video. Yeah, we bought this one because we wanted a pressure washer that can follow us around when we're spraying instead of one where we had to keep moving it. So hopefully it works out well. I believe it was like 4.5 stars. Some bad reviews, but some good ones too, so we'll see. And some instructions. Yep. Oh, some of their other products. Looks like the wheels. They go on the bottom. The water gun. Some other components and some spray heads. There's 4 spray heads. I believe the black one is for soap. And that attaches to the gun-shaped sprayer. Oh, there's the hose for the sprayer. There it is. You just have to put the wheels on and hook up the spray hose. I believe that's for soap, that part there. This part here is for soap. And yeah, that's for soap. So we can use it to wash our car, and we really bought it to clean the cement, our cement patio in our backyard and side walkway. So it's covered in mold right now, so we need to get that off. Thank you for watching. So these are all the components that came with it. A bit piled. Just put these out so you can see. Alright, there you go. Those are all the components you get. Thanks for watching.